Welcome back, YouTube. We're on the egg log. It's day 7. The eggs have been in there for 7 full days. You don't get to count the day that you put them in. You have to count the next day. And it's time to candle. What we're going to do is we're going to remove all the eggs from the incubator. We're going to go into a dark space and we're going to candle them. We're going to take pictures of the candling, and then I'll do a voiceover of the pictures to show you what you're seeing in each different egg type. And once we're done candling, we'll come back and talk about rotation. All right, we've weighed and candled every egg. We've got some good examples of what the embryo would look like at day 7 for you. And like I said, I'm going to start putting up pictures and do voiceover here. This is a normal day 7 egg. I just drew a line across the air sac. You can see the white space above the line. And then you see the veining coming down the egg. You don't have to worry about this blob at the bottom. There's still a yolk in there. So that's a completely normal egg. As we're incubating the eggs, we have to realize that managing our air sac is very important. So I drew this graphic, and the yellow at the top is basically the size of an air sac of a freshly hatched egg. After 7 days in the incubator at the appropriate humidity, the air sac will be about the area of the yellow and the orange combined. Then when you get out to day 14, the green will be added to the pile. And when you get to day 18, the drawdown will have started, so it'll actually take the blue, green, orange, and yellow area up. With egg 12 here, you don't see an air sac at the top. You have development, there's veins, but no air sac at the top. If you could, in the video, rotate my photo around, you'd see that it has a side air sac. This is a problem, and it could cause it not to hatch. Egg 1 and egg 18 are both examples of an egg under development. These eggs are fine. Egg 16 and egg 20 both show what's called a blood ring. There's 2 different examples. These birds died. Egg 42 through 53 all ended up on a cooler shelf, and I left them there for 7 days. And what that means is they're less developed than all the other eggs. So when candling them, seeing the spot that I had this circle around shows that this egg is developing. And believe it or not, as I rotated them through, they all hatched on the same day. So these eggs actually caught up. So I've showed you a couple of things that you're going to see on day 7, the blood ring being the biggest problem. The other thing that you'll find on day 7 are clears, and that's where you don't see any spot. Now, I would caution you not to take out clears unless it's very, very obvious that it's a clear, and wait until day 14 to remove those, just in case in inexperience you missed it. If you want to understand the weight, you need to go to the blog. It's in the description. There's a spreadsheet that we're tracking everything to keep track of humidity and whatnot. The next thing we're going to do is just show you really quick what we're going to do for rotation. Now, for the first week, I just want to let them sit and do their thing. But after that, I'm just going to rotate them back 12 eggs every 2 days. So number 1 used to be right here. So it's going to slowly truck across there, and then it's going to go to the bottom. So the eggs that used to be, the 12 eggs that used to be back there are going to end up laying flat on the tray and get their X's and O's. And the ones that were down on the tray are now moving up to the automatic turner. Every 2 days, I'm just going to open up the incubator, take out a dozen, rotate everybody, and then put them back in. And you might think, but they got cold. You have to remember, the chicken gets up at least once a day to go use the restroom, get some food, get a little scratch, complain to their friends about having to sit on the eggs all day. So it's okay that they are cool for 15 minutes. And then you get them back in your incubator and get them back warm again. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Thanks for watching.